Good evening, ma'am. I am Reena Raji, studying in BSc Nursing second year. Behalf of World Pneumonia Day, I am going to do the demonstration of breathing and coughing exercise. Mainly, breathing and coughing exercise is used for the patients having pneumonia, asthma, and also for the chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder patients. The main purpose of breathing and coughing exercise is first to clear your lungs, and also it improve your breathing capacity, and also it reduce the risk of pneumonia. And also we provide breathing and coughing exercise for the post-surgical patients, mainly to relieve their pain. There are two steps followed for breathing and coughing exercise. The first step is take a deep breath inside through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds and release it through your mouth. First, take a deep breath inside through your nose. Once more. These steps repeat 2 to 6 times. The second step is take a pillow, place it in your abdomen region and hold like this with your hands. Then take a deep breath inside through your nose and hold it for 3 seconds and cough 2 to 4 times. First, take a deep breath inside through your nose. Once more. This step is also repeat to 2 to 6 times. This will improve your breathing capacity, clear your lungs, and also provide a good breathing capacity. These are the main two steps followed for breathing and coughing exercise. Thank you.